Hey guys, I'm back. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I have a couple quickie projects that I wanted to share with you, and then I'll give you the links to the tutorials because these two are not mine. I've been doing hashtag Sandy's 13 Frights Before Halloween 2022. I've had my Halloween papers out, and I've been making some little projects. I've been finding some really cute projects online as I've been kind of going through YouTube and everything, and using my stash. So I thought I would bring these to you so that you could check this out. So this one here is just a real simple one that I did on my own. I mean, it's not that tough, but I found this notebook at my local craft store for $1, and I just decorated it with some pattern paper. It had an elastic closure on it, so it's like it was super easy. I just added a little pocket with some scrap paper, put a few tags in there, added some stickers to the front. I love this paper. This is the new paper this year by Recollections, and let me see if I can remember what it's called. It's called Dark Magic, and it's really a funky Halloween, meets Art Deco thing, and I just love it. It's just super cute. I had this little pen, and so I decorated the little pen with some pattern paper, and it just made a cute little Halloween notebook. So I just wanted to share that with you. This would be cute. I could probably mass make this and give them to, make some fun ones and give them to the kids for Halloween. They would absolutely dig it, and it would be, super fun for them. So anyway, I just wanted to share that. But that's kind of my own, like, I just did it thing, and I just wanted to show you because I was excited about it. And then I found these two tutorials, and these are so cool. So again, because I have all my Halloween stuff out and I've been looking at some stuff, I've been doing a lot of YouTubing and whatnot, and I found a couple things, and I've also been getting into junk journaling, so these kind of are falling into line with that. I have been tea dyeing and coffee dyeing paper like crazy. Oh my God. But anyways, so I wanted to share these with you. So I'm going to share this first one with you. This is called the Genius Paper Bag Pocket by Liz, and I found it on Camellia Crafts Design on YouTube, and I'll put the link down below. She saw it from a gal named Liz Creates on Instagram, and she did a tutorial on how to do this, and I watched the tutorial, and I was absolutely blown away. It is made literally out of a paper bag. Let me show you the model here. Let's see, I got two models here. So, oh, nope, this one I didn't do. Haha, that was my instructions. So basically, what you end up with, you have a regular paper bag. You can see it's a regular paper bag, and she shows you how to cut it and fold it, and you get accordion pockets. And I'm like, that is flippin' genius. How many of you guys have hoarded your paper bag pockets or your paper bags for junk journals and, lunch sack albums and things like that? OMG. So I made a little one because I had a little paper bag and decorated it with my pattern papers, and it's just super cute. So the paper I used here is Echo Park Chillingsworth Manor, and it's from a 6x6 scraps that I had, 6x6 pad, and I had scraps, and it's from 2012. And I used a Celebrate It bag from Michaels and a Brad in my stash, some twine, and then that's the closure, and it just wraps around like that, and then it opens up, and this top here is actually the bottom of the bag, and then check it out. It accordions out, and you can fill it with so many good things. And so I just made little tags with punches that I had. I punched a circle, little square tags, all kinds of stuff. It's just super cute. And then I decided to go to the back, and I created a little pocket here, and in the pocket I have a little accordion booklet that I created out of the patterned paper because it was just so cute. I had to use it. I mean, come on, seriously? Isn't that cute? So I did that, and then I made a little envelope, fold out flip that you can use for journaling or something like that, and then another little booklet here that you could put in the back pocket. And the cool part is that when you use the string closure here, it'll help secure those things in that pocket so they won't fall out. Isn't that cute? This would be adorable. I don't know, and I just had the thought. I don't think this size would work, but if you got a, well, it might. Look at that. You could put a gift card in here. You could make these and put gift cards in here. Isn't that cute? So the envelope size, again, it's from Celebrate It. It was 3.5 inches wide. I'm not sure how tall it was. I should have written that down, but I didn't. But anyways, go check out the tutorial on how to make this. This is super fun, and you can use, you know, any size paper bag that you have. As long as it has like a lunch sack opening, you can do it. So it's super cool. So that's that one. And then the next one here, I made this little thing. It's by Septeria 18. And again, on YouTube, she did it in May of this year, and she calls it a One Sheet Wonder 12 by 12 paper pocket folder. I'll put the link down below. Again, I had my Halloween papers out, so I was totally like, you know, wanting to, you know, do something with my scraps. So this is a fun folder because you open it up like this. You have a pocket here, and then you have a tuck spot here, pockets here, right? And then it opens again, like so. She shows you how to add this little pocket here, which I did. And, you know, I feel sad that I kind of cut the head off my skeleton, but I don't think he'll mind. I did put a sticker here backed on cardstock. You could tuck a picture under there or another tag. And then over here you have the same kind of pocket on the front with another little tuck spot here. And then, oops, gonna lose my poison. And then you have a pocket here for other tags. When you fold it to the back, then this part opens up as well. And I added a pocket here with some tags here. So I just thought this was really cute. This, I mean, this is one sheet of 12 by 12 paper, and you get all of that in there, and it's just really fun. So this paper is Echo Park Hocus Pocus from 2015, and I used some Basil cardstock on that. But isn't that cute? And I just love how it opens, and there's so many pockets, and there's a flip that you can add, and, you know, it's just really interactive. I just think that's really cute. So I just wanted to share those things with you because I was pretty excited about making more Halloween goodies. You should see the basket of Halloween goodies that I've been making. I've got a basket full of all these little things. So man, I'm so excited. I'm just having so much fun. So I'll put the links below, and go check them out and give them some love, and I will see you soon with more tutorials. Thank you, and stay scary, my friends. Bye-bye.